Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna talk about 4 websites to make money online. They are free, available worldwide, doesn't matter where you live. You can start making money online today after watching this video. They are easy to do. You can make $500 per month with just one of these 4 websites, and if you want to make more, you can work with all of them. Please keep watching this video. If you just found our channel, I'm Ershad from United Braves. This channel is about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, working and making money online. To watch more videos like this video and future videos, please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe right now. There are videos here to help you make money online, work from home, how to master your life, how to master your business, and there's a course here, how to become a millionaire in 21 steps. They are waiting for you. Please subscribe our channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about 4 websites to make money online and 2 apps. You can start making money online today after watching this video. They are free, available worldwide, and easy to do. Just you need to do some micro tasks and then start making some points and then redeem them for cash, PayPal, and some other options, features that they have. For example, Amazon gift cards, or even transfer to your bank account. Let's start it. The first website is Prize Rebel. Sign up in 10 seconds. Make money online now. Complete paid online surveys. Earn points and redeem for cash and gift cards from PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Steam, eBay. And you see the form here for signing up. Start today. It's free. You can sign up with Facebook, or you can put your information, first name, last name, enter your email, choose a password, and start making money. Let's see top rewards you can redeem for. You see Amazon gift cards here. Claim your Amazon.com gift cards and choose from hundreds of thousands of cool items from Amazon.com. PayPal, iTunes, Walmart gift cards. That's great. You can start making money online today and redeem for these rewards. And you see, join a community of over 9 million members. 9 million members. This is a website that's great. You can start making money online today. In cash and rewards, redeeming paid online surveys right now since 2007. $18 million dollars. And you see here gift card rewards to choose from, near 500 gift card rewards. And here you see today they paid this amount of money, near $2,000. How do I get started? Get started in 3 easy steps, and it's free. 1. Just click on the sign up button and below and fill out the form with your name, email, and chosen password. 2. Check your email, click the validation link, and you are ready to make money online. Answer surveys, sign up for offers, or watch a few videos to earn points, redeem for points for a reward that you want. That's all. And they have blog here, and there are some articles, you can read them. This is the first website that I recommend you start making money online today. And here, how does this work? Actually, there is a link here, frequently asked question. Here, frequently asked question. We click it, and if you click here, we come here. How does this work? Here there is a video, and this is the introduction. Let's watch it together. so you watch, this is your panel. After signing up, you can see this is your panel. You can come here, click on earn, and then you see the submenu is offers, surveys, offer walls, tasks, daily points, and engage videos. You can make money, you can earn money with these features, and then that's all that you need to know about this panel. And next video for this website is this one. You see green surveys, daily gold, your surveys, silvers, different kind of these things, and also frequently asked questions. After signing up, you can see this panel, and they are easy, you don't need anything else. And also there is a website here. I searched about this website already, and this is just short review of this website. You see this is the panel. After signing up, you can see like this, and completing surveys. You see here, for example, different surveys. Actually, each of them has different points. For example, one of them has about $5. If you complete this task, you can make $5. It just takes you 20 minutes. You see that the potential of this website is so great. You can start making money online with this website, and also you can watch videos and also earn points. You see the points are here for each video. You can choose different videos that you like here, and time spent completing tasks. These tasks are pretty easy to do, but they do require a certain investment of time. And that's all. Payout options, you see here PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and Visa card, and other things, and that's all. This is a great website. You can start making money online today with Price Rebel, and this is for you, and pricerebel.com. The next website, the second one, is Feature Points. Feature Points. Get rewarded, make money, and earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys, cashback, and more. And also it's available on iOS, iPhone, and also Android. Over you see $5 million rewarded since 2012. There's a nice website. Got a few minutes to spare while waiting in line. Make your time more rewarding with Feature Points. We've paid millions of dollars in rewards to our users. Earn cash back. You know, this is one of the features. Nice. Earn cash back. Best Buy, Forever 21, Walmart, Target, Nordstrom, and Macy's are here. Shop at your favorite stores and earn hundreds of dollars in cash back with Feature Points. And complete surveys. Earn points by sharing your opinion with us, answer questions, and get paid. Do you own a dog? What car do you drive? Do you own any game consoles? And that's all. Download apps, try free games and apps to earn points. Just try the app for a few minutes and you'll be credited. And that's all. Share with friends and earn. Also share with you see there's a up feature here. Share with Feature Points and you'll get paid up to 50% every time your friends earn points for life. So that's great. And redeem for points for awesome rewards. You see Amazon gift cards, PayPal, Xbox, and other things also. Choose from a huge range of rewards. And as I already told you, this app is available on Android and iOS. We come here for Android. Feature points get rewarded. You see over 100,000 reviews this app has, and we click on screenshots. Feature points, earn points for trying free apps, completing surveys, and shopping online. Use your points to get reward including Amazon, Google Play, and PayPal. Share your referral code with your friends and earn 50% of points they earn. Earn up to 40% cash back at hundreds of stores. You see different stores. You can earn points from your computer too. Also, you can use the website. Actually, you don't need to download the app, but it's an opportunity for you also while you are on a taxi or bus or anything else traveling. You can also work with this app on your cell phone, mobile phones. And that's all. You see there is some information here. Make money and earn rewards on your phone or the web by trying free apps, completing surveys, shopping online, and more. We've paid out over $5,600,000 in rewards since 2012. Earn cash back, earn points when you shop online at stores including Walmart, Best Buy, Sephora, and other things. Complete surveys, get paid for giving your opinion, answer survey questions, and earn points. Download apps, download free apps, and earn points for trying them for a few minutes. Earn everywhere. Earn points on the web too. Go to the featurepoints.com on your PC to get started. Earn points on Android, iOS, and the web. Download Feature Points now and get rewarded. And this is another website and app that I recommend you. Also, you can start making money online with this app, featurepoints.com. Another website is Earnably. Earnably.com. Digital rewards and gift cards made easy. Earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. It's that easy. Sign up, login, you see, complete offers, get rewards. Earnably is an online rewards and cashback site. It's completely free to use, and best of all, it's easy to get started. Earn points by completing simple offers from our more than 30 partners. Then redeem your points anytime for instant rewards and gift cards. You see, for example, you can earn 23 points in 5 minutes, or for example, 202 points in 5 minutes. Different things, easy and instant rewards. Redeem your points at any time on the many rewards we have in stock. There's something for everyone: gift card, wallet codes, digital currencies, and much more. Invite friends and earn more. Share your unique referral link to invite your friends, family, and followers. You'll get kept 10% of their earnings for life. You see, also this is a nice website and app, and you see they started working since 2015. And another website is InstaGC. InstaGC also, it's like them, similar to them. There is no difference. Digital gift cards received instantly. Join our fast-growing community and receive free gift cards instantly for your online activities. There is a form here also. You can join InstaGC with Facebook, Twitter, and Google. or you can put your information, write your information here, username, password in your email address, sign up and get 10 free points. Earn points for things you already do online: completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, searching the web, and redeem your points for gift cards. You see there is some information here, and that's all. There are great websites you can start making money online today. The first website was Price Rebel. This is a great website. People can make money at least $500 per month just with this website. Also, you can make money more with these feature points, and also earnably.com and instagc.com. And this is the way you can start making money online today after watching this video. If you already work with this kind of website or with this website exactly, please share your ideas and your experience with us below this video and leave your comment. And if you have any questions, you can ask me below this video. I'll join the discussion, and definitely I'll answer all your questions. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up. I want you to like this video to watch more videos like this video and future videos. Please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.